Hi everybody. Today is Saturday. The time now is 8 p.m. and I'm here on Coney Island. But now I'm going home. And this is the train station here. This is West 8th Street Aquarium side here. From here we can see the cyclone. See the cyclone from here. There's the queue line. It's coming over there. Oh, that's a beautiful game over there. What game? This is gonna be on YouTube. My video is gonna be on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, yeah.
Yo, give me the camera.
You want to say something?
Yeah.
We love Coney Island Park.
Yeah.
We love the rides. It costs a lot of money, but it's so fun.
We went on the slingshot shit. Yeah.
The fucking cyclone, especially when you're drunk, you know? It's so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You can check it out.